Namaskar everyone. This is the video number 7 of chapter journal. Now today I will be discussing the transaction related to goods, in which we will start with the first, that is goods lost by fire oblique theft. We can also say the goods lost by accident. As per the nominal account, I told you that all the expenses and losses will be debited. So whenever any goods lost by fire and theft, then in that case loss by accident, or we can say loss by theft oblique fire, will be debited and purchases will be credited. Why purchases will be credited? Because in this case we lost the goods, so purchases will reduce. So what will be the general entry? That is loss by theft oblique fire account debit to purchases account. Now after that we'll see if the goods are insured or we have taken the insurance policy. So in this case you have to pass the second entry. In this case you have to debit insurance company and loss by theft and fire account will be credited. So this is the second entry if the goods are insured. Now third thing is, if the full amount is received from the insurance company, so there will be no loss for the business. So what will be the general entry? If you receive the amount in cash or by check, then cash oblique bank will be debited, and who is the giver? That is called the insurance company. So this will be the entry if the full amount is received from the insurance company. But if the insurance company does not admit full claim, so whatever the claim admitted by the insurance company, it will be debited by cash and bank account, and rest whatever the loss to us will be debited to P&L account and credited with the insurance company. So entry will be cash oblique bank account debit, P&L account debit to insurance company, in case if the insurance company does not admit full claim. So there will be three entry. First you have to put the loss, second you have to put the entry regarding the goods are insured, and the third entry will be if the full amount is received from the insurance company or if the insurance company does not admit the full claim. Now second entry relating to goods are goods given away as a charity. Now whatever the charity done here, it is an expense and loss, and it will be debited in the journal entry as per the nominal account. And again, what we are giving as a charity, that is called goods. So purchase will reduce, and when your purchase will reduce, it will be credited. So entry of goods given away as a charity is charity account debit to purchases account. Now third one is goods given away as free sample. Free sample is also considered as an advertisement. So whenever the goods given away as a free sample or as an advertisement, then it is an expense for the business, and in this case advertisement oblique free sample will be debited, and what we are giving as a free sample, that is called goods, then in that case purchase will be credited, because this transaction will reduce our purchases. So what will be the general entry for goods given away as a free sample? That is advertisement oblique free sample account debit to purchases account. Now move to the entry number 4 related to goods, that is goods withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use. Now in the previous video I already told you that any amount or goods withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use or private use will be considered as a drawing. So in this case drawing will be debited, as it is withdrawn by the owner for his personal or private use, and again purchases will be credited as purchases reduces, because the goods is withdrawn by the proprietor. So what will be the final general entry here for goods withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use? That is drawings account debit to purchases account. So here is the summary about the general entry we discussed today. First one is goods lost by fire and theft. Second one is goods given away as free sample. Third, goods given as charity. And fourth one is goods withdrawn by the owner for his personal use or private use. The most important things in all the four entry is that purchase will be credited. Why? Because in all the fourth entry, goods is given either as free sample, charity, or withdrawn by the owner for personal use or lost by fire and theft. So the important points is goods here. So wherever the goods given or as a anything, then in that case purchases will be credited because these four transactions result in the decrease of purchases, and debit will be the depend upon the expense and losses like loss by theft and fire, advertisement, charity, and drawings. So this is the transaction related to goods. Thank you so much.